My baby. Oh my god. Because oh, this hair is so fine. Aw.
How my clients frustrated me. Hello, fam. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, based on whatever time you're watching this video. So, today I'm going to take you guys on this gist, full time gist of how this client of mine frustrated me. So, on this day, I came to the shop, did my normal routine, prayed, blessed my shop, and prayed for more customer. And God brought this beautiful customer to my doorstep. Somebody shout hallelujah. So I've actually been chatting with this customer on WhatsApp and we've been discussing about the kind of hairstyle she would want to make. So she was sending me videos and pictures of something and asking me which one I think it I think will be best for her. So I also sent her some videos for her to select from of hairs that I've made previously, and she made up her mind. But on coming to the shop, this client of mine still changed her mind again, and she was like, she wants to make all back, just straight normal long all back. I said okay, let's start making it. I wanted to start making it. She said no, she doesn't want all back, she wants shuku, that we should make shuku and base. So I said okay. As you can see here, I started making the shuku for this client of mine, and almost I just did one. I've not even ended it. She said, no, she does not want shuku again. She has changed her mind that her hair is very short, and she's contemplating if the shuku is going to last for her. So we brought it down again. In my mind, I was just like, today, not today. Hey God. So after much dragging, going back and forth, I managed to convince this client of mine. I managed to convince her into making a style that I chose for her. So she said she does not want anything too long. It should not be long. So I decided to make braids for her, short coily braids, and that's what we ended up making. And it wasn't an easy one trying to convince her at all. It wasn't an easy one, but I'm glad that she later settled for this one. And even while we were making this one, I made the first one. I think I made the first line, and she was like, the hair is too short, that I should increase the length. I had to now lose the knots that I tied. You know, when you're making one, you tie a knot so that you can coil it. So I ended up losing the knot to increase the length again, and she was okay with that one. I tell you, I'll tell you this for free. Salon work is not for the weak, because you're going to meet different kinds of personality. Some that will come in and will just look at you as if, does this one even know what she's doing? Some that will come in and even without you even touching their hair, they have already condemned you in their mind. But once they see the outcome, they will be the one even praising you, as in oh God. I started this salon journey not quite long, and I'd say I've seen a whole lot. Different clients, different personalities, different behavior, but the only thing I can thank God for is that each and every one of my clients, no matter how they come, like no matter how they no matter what they say, no matter how they condemn you initially, I thank God, because the end point, God, the end point, that smile on their face, the joy on their face, it's just what keeps me going. Like, it's just what keeps me going all the time. That God, let me not bite my mouth. The satisfaction that comes with seeing your clients contented with what you gave to them, like, it's just everything. And I thank God for that grace that He has given to me for blessing my hands and making me to bless my customers with the work of my hands. So before I go and allow you guys to watch this video to the end, I have something to say. I don't know, but I feel like there is somebody there who has been in this particular situation or who is currently facing this that would feel encouraged to hear what I have to say. I was actually born and brought up in Benue State, Makodi, and I relocated to Lagos. I relocated to Lagos State, and after working from one place to another, I think I worked in two different places. I work with an online hair vendor. That was the last place I worked before I started my own salon. And before I started this salon, I was like contemplating, oh God, I don't know anybody in this Lagos. Like currently the place that I was based, I didn't know anybody at all. I didn't have friends except from my colleague who are staying far from my house where I was living currently. Like where I'm currently living, all my friends they stay far, and all those my friends they are my colleagues from my previous place of work. So I was just thinking, God, if I start this, where am I going to see customers? Like, and the place that I'm living, they are so deep in tribalism, and the is it tribalism? Is that the right word to use? Like, all I'm trying to say is that they prefer to make hair from their tribe, from somebody that is the same tribe with them. And if they find out that you are from different tribe, they would not even want to even look at you or to let you touch their hair. Yes, that's what I meant by that. So I didn't lose hope. I didn't lose hope at all. I prayed consistently, and as God would have His way, I opened my shop. And from one recommendation to another, the first person I made her for, she was just God sent, and she started recommending my work to other people, telling them how good I am. And then some, they'll be like, who made your hair for you, and stuff like that. From there I started seeing customers. I'm not at where I want to be right now, but I thank God. All I can say is that, God, I thank you. So what am I saying in essence? Don't be discouraged. If you relocated like me, don't be discouraged. Or if you don't have, like, if you're having doubts about starting that business, don't be discouraged. Just start. Just start and put God first. The way God will shock you, and even your enemies will wonder. Your enemies will wonder. They will be shocked. So no matter how little your capital is, just start that business. Start that business today, my friends. So as you can see, I'm done here. I'm actually done. So my client requested that she wants coils. She wants it to be like boho coils, but she does not want the coils to be too much. So I achieved these coils using attachment, and as you can see, I'm using just water to bring out the coils. Like after I separate it, I will use water and rub on it, and then the coils will bounce up back, just like pixie coil. It's not pixie coil, it's attachments. So that's a hack that you can do when you scatter your coils and you think that it has scattered, cannot arrange again. Just use water and bring it out. It will come out, the coils will come out again. So at this point, I think you can see the look on my client's face, like that confidence, and like not confidence, the satisfaction on her face. She's really, really satisfied with the outcome of the hair, and she really, really loves it. So she was just showing me where and where to place it, because she does not want it to be full at all. She wants it to just be scanty. So I was making sure that I do everything according to how she wants, because this is my client and she likes everything done accordingly. She does not want what I ordered versus what I got, and I'm happy that so far I was actually giving her exactly what she wants. So look at me over there just trying to bring out the curls with water. I tell you, try this hack, it works like magic.
My baby. Oh my god. God. Oh, this hair is so fine. Oh.
So this beautiful lady that just walked in is actually a friend of mine, my colleague from where I worked before. She was actually the one that recommended my work to this her friend. Actually, not really recommended. She saw the one I made for the lady standing and she liked it. So she said she wanted to make hers also. So that was how I got this client sitting over. Ew. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys have actually noticed that I'm struggling making this voice notes. Sorry, this voiceover. I see what I'm saying. I'm actually struggling. People way they do. Hey God, some people now get talent too because I don't know, Sha. Maybe it's because I didn't learn it, but I know that there are so many people that also didn't learn it and they can do it perfectly. But I'm just starting, so I pray that as time goes on, I will do better. So I actually forgot to use styling mousse for her and I started using it after I've already packed the hair. After I already started packing the hair, that's when I remembered and I started applying it. The gist was suiting me now. My friend came with a lot of gist and she was gisting us. So guys, I'm actually done cooking this beauty. I'm so happy because my client was happy. And immediately she stepped outside, then she had not even gone far. She had already started receiving compliments. Ah, your hair is fine, your hair is fine. Based on seeing a fine girl she be to now with her color and everything. It ah just gets fine clients. Get fine clients. You will look at your work and you will be pleased. You'll be proud of yourself. So guys, I'm so sorry for the background noise that is happening right now. I'm actually doing this voiceover in the afternoon. It's a Sunday afternoon and everybody is at home right now. That's why the noises are too much. So I was not really able to. I lost the clip of the final look, but I thank God I still have this one. So this is how it looks. This is how my client looks. So guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please do well to like, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you so much. See you in my next one.